This video, we're going to learn the components of the guitar. The guitar has two main parts. We have the body and we also have the neck. Let's start off studying the different components of the neck. We have the head, we have the tuning machines, we have the nut, we have the fretboard, this top part right here, usually made out of a hardwood like ebony. We have the frets, fret 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, going down. We also have the back of the neck. For the body, we have the lower bout. That's all this region. The upper bout, this region right here. We have the sound hole, where the sound comes out. We have the rosette, the top, the bridge, the saddle, and we have 6 strings. The highest sounding one starts at the bottom. So this would be string number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. E, B, G, D, A, and E. We also have the sides and the back. The sides and the back are usually made out of a harder wood, and the top is usually made out of soft wood like spruce. These are just some of the main components of the guitar.